Hey kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn to write numbers from 0 to 10. So let's start. Count the number of snakes you can see. Oh no, there are no snakes. 0. So how will you write 0? Starting at the top, make a circle. That's the way to make a 0. Now practice it on your notebook. Count the number of bulrushes you can see. 1. Starting at the top, straight and tall. That's the way to make a 1. Practice writing the number by tracing the grey line on your notebook. Count the number of alligators you can see. 1, 2. How will you write 2? Starting at the top, curve around just right. That's the way to make 2. So practice writing the number 2 by tracing the grey line on your notebook. Count the number of elephants you can see. 1, 2, 3. How will you write 3? Start at the top, curve around and then again make a curve. That's the way to make a 3. Now practice writing the number 3 by tracing the grey line on your notebook. Count the number of cats you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how will you write 4? First down and over. Down once more and then a straight line in right. That's the way to make a 4. Now practice writing the number 4 by tracing the grey line on your notebook. Count the number of mice you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So down and around and then give it a head. That's the way to make a 5. Practice writing the number 5 by tracing the grey line. Count the number of goats you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So start at the top, curve around and then loop back to make a 6. Now practice writing the number 6 by tracing the grey line on your notebook. Count the number of hippos you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way to make a 7. So practice writing the number 7 by tracing the grey line on your notebook. Count the number of turtles you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So make an S and join to the starting point. So that's the way to make an 8. And now practice writing the number 8 by tracing the grey line on your notebook. Count the number of jaguars you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So circle around and then a line. That's the way to make a 9. Practice writing the number 9 by tracing the grey line on your notebook. Count the number of narwhal you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I already told you how to write number from 0 to 9. Now furthermore, for 2-digit numbers, you have to repeat that. So practice writing the number 10 by tracing the grey line. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon.